It's the Riley and RJ show. Hi guys, this is me again, Riley Angela. Today we're gonna be unboxing. We ordered this from Amazon so we can learn about Canadian money. Let's open it. This is what's inside. We got some bag of coins, the paper money, and this is the holder money for the money, and these are for the coins. This is a toonie, which is 2, and it's a polar bear. This is a loonie, and it's $1, and it has a duck. This is a quarter, and it's 25 cents, and it has a moose. This is a dime, and it has a bow, and it's 10 cents. This is a nickel, and it has a beaver, and it's 5 cents. Let's move on to the paper money. This is blue, and this is $5. This is purple, and it's $10. This is green, and it's $20. This is red, and it's $50. And this is brown, which is $100. I'm gonna show you about these coins that we don't use anymore. These, can you guess what they are? These are pennies. Fun fact, we always used to use these, but the government decided to not make them anymore. Do you know why? This is a great tool to learn about money. If you have a kitchen toy like us, now we have money to play with. Today we learned about money, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Bye!